वजीर दफाع ख्वाजा आसिफ ने कहा है कि पाकिस्तान अब आलमी सतह पर एक काबिल एतमाद शराकतदार के तौर पर उभर रहा है। सऊदी अरब के साथ नए ताल्लुकात नए दौर में दाखिल हो गए। अमरीका, चीन, कतर और मुत्तहिदा अरब अमारात के साथ ताल्लुकात में बेहतरी आई है।
The Prime Minister's recent engagements with Saudi leadership have reinvigorated strategic cooperation and opened pathways for multi-billion-dollar investment in energy, mining and infrastructure. Relations with United Arab Emirates and Qatar have also deepened remarkably. With the United States, Pakistan continues to build a broad-based and balanced partnership. Our diplomacy today reflects a confident and forward-looking Pakistan. Through the Prime Minister's sustained diplomatic outreach, Pakistan has successfully re-established itself as a respected voice in regional and international forums.